Welcome everyone to another unboxing video, and in this video we're looking at an awesome keyboard that is called the Corsair K70 RGB low profile mechanical gaming keyboard. The keyboard itself comes with lots of manuals and a nice box. Where's the keyboard? Well, it's in here somewhere. Let's have a look. We've got the wrist rest. We've also got the keyboard itself in nice plastic. Let's have a look. Oh, it feels nice. Nice weight to this, even though it's low profile, but you can actually adjust the height of this. The weight of this keyboard is quite something else, but there again it's mainly made of metal. It's only the plastic keys and some of the components. Feels nice. We've got two connector cables, two powers, so you can actually run USB and also keep the lighting going from this as well. It's excellent, nicely braided cable there. Just for the added bit of comfort you might need whilst gaming, because of course this is a dedicated gaming keyboard, although you can use it for word processing too. You might find it more comfortable to actually attach the wrist rest. Looks nice too, it finishes it off beautifully. There you go. It's got a slightly rubbery feel to this wrist rest, predominantly made of plastic, but very good quality plastic, I have to say. I was reading the reviews online about the quality of these keyboards, so I thought I'd take the plunge myself, for my son that is. Now if you look underneath here, you've got the legs that pop out, so we can adjust the height. Just the right sort of adjustment, I think. Now if we just tilt it on its side and have a look down its profile, you can see it actually is very slim profile. We can actually take out some of the keys too. There's some of the adjustment key things you can take in and out. WSD I think they are. Yeah, those ones there. And moving around. The idea of adjusting these keys is so you can have different height. So it's a slightly different feel to the whole keyboard and gaming experience. It's a nice springy feel to the keys as you press them. And the clicking is not too loud. Bearing in mind it's a mechanical keyboard. It's not silent, but it's not too terrible either. Very bearable. Feels lovely. As you can see, I'm now showing off my typing skills, using various parts of my body to be able to get the symbols on the screen. Some people call those parts of your body fingers. The keyboard has customizable lighting. It's absolutely lovely. It's mesmerizing and very pleasant on the eye. I actually really like looking at it. These are the various lighting modes, so you can have a look at the difference and see what they look like. After playing with the settings, you do have the choice of having the lights off completely, just to have it as a bog standard keyboard. However, it feels nice and you know you've paid a lot of money for this lovely feel. If we just take a closer look at the keyboard, you'll notice it's got some extra stuff at the top here, usual multimedia keys, and also a button that can be customizable to suit whatever you want, and the roller dial, which is great for volume or scrolling up and down. I would certainly recommend this keyboard. This is of excellent quality, it is brilliant. It looks nice, it performs well, however it is very expensive, but on the odd occasion that you pay for what you get, this certainly applies to that statement. You won't be disappointed.